Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to backtest the Gold Infinity EA, a powerful automated trading system designed especially for gold. We'll test it using real tick data from the 1st of July to the 30th of September, starting with a $700 balance. Let's see how it performs under real market conditions every tick, just as it would in live trading. Let me set the chart colors so that it's visible and you can understand how it works. The Gold Infinity EA is built to trade 24/7 automatically. Once installed, you don't have to do anything. It will manage your trades, open and close positions, handle take profits, and even protect your balance intelligently. This EA is designed for traders who want consistent results without manual effort. The logic behind Gold Infinity is simple but powerful. It follows trend-based strategies, taking entries only in the direction of the market. That means when the market is bullish, it focuses on buy opportunities. When bearish, it switches to sell. This makes it a true trend-following system, designed to capture long moves and avoid ranging traps. One of the best things about Gold Infinity is that it adapts automatically. You don't need to adjust anything during high-impact news events like non-farm payroll, NFP, CPI, or FOMC announcements. The EA manages risk and positioning intelligently, so even in high volatility, your trades remain under control. The EA's built-in money management feature ensures your lot sizes are optimized for account safety. It uses a balanced approach, not overtrading, not undertrading. It also includes internal filters for trend direction, volatility, and trade timing, which help it avoid unnecessary trades during unstable conditions. In today's trading world, everyone is chasing the perfect system, a system that promises to turn a small account into a fortune. Every day, new expert advisors appear on the market, each claiming to be the next revolution. But how many of them actually work in the live market? How many truly show you what they claim to do? Gold Infinity EA was created to break that illusion. It was built not for marketing hype, but for real performance. It's based on real data, tested with real ticks, and designed to behave exactly the same way in the live market as it does in backtesting. When we say Gold Infinity EA is transparent, we mean it. When we say it is accurate, we prove it. When we say it works, we back it with real tick evidence. Gold Infinity EA is not a showpiece. It is a precision trading engine built to deliver real results. When you see a backtest of Gold Infinity EA, you are seeing the truth, not a simulation. It's like watching a replay of the actual market. Transparency builds confidence, and confidence builds trust. Gold Infinity EA was designed with this philosophy from day one. You see what the system does, how it behaves, and how it manages risk, with no hidden actions. There is one truth in trading that never changes. Consistency beats luck. Gold Infinity EA is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It doesn't promise thousands of % overnight. Instead, it's designed to deliver 20% to 40% profit every month, steadily and safely. This target is achievable, repeatable, and sustainable. That's how real traders grow accounts over time. The philosophy behind Gold Infinity EA is simple. Protect the balance first, then grow it. Profits mean nothing if the capital is at risk. That's why every algorithm inside Gold Infinity EA focuses on controlled exposure, limited drawdown, and stable returns. This EA doesn't chase losses. It doesn't use martingale or grid strategies. Instead, it uses intelligent trend logic with a smart recovery mechanism. Every trade has a reason. Every exit has a purpose. Every action is calculated. Right now, we're demonstrating Gold Infinity EAs, backtesting for a 3-month period. We chose this time frame to keep the video short and focused. However, the plan is much bigger. In future videos, we'll show full backtests from January 2025 to September 2025, and eventually complete annual tests covering all of 2024. The gold market never stands still. It responds to global events, inflation reports, interest rate changes, geopolitical news. Gold Infinity EA is built to adapt to all of it. Its parameters automatically adjust to market volatility and range. When gold becomes explosive, the EA becomes more cautious. When the market stabilizes, it becomes more active. As you can see here on the chart, Gold Infinity is smoothly opening and closing trades as the market moves. There's no need for manual intervention. Every trade is calculated based on live market data. The EA uses a combination of EMA trend confirmation, price action filters, and intelligent trailing to maximize profits while reducing drawdown. In this backtest, we're using every tick based on real ticks, which gives us the most accurate simulation possible. This means every price movement is replicated exactly as it happened in the live market. That's why the results you'll see are very close to what you can expect in a real trading account. So far, Gold Infinity is performing smoothly, handling both trending and retracing phases perfectly. You can notice how it keeps positions open in strong trends and exits quickly when the market changes direction. Now, let's move toward the results section to see the complete performance summary, including profit, growth, and drawdown. And here are the final results of our 3-month backtest for Gold Infinity EA on gold. Starting with just $700, the EA achieved a net profit of $1,141, bringing the account to over $1,841 by the end of September. The profit factor was an impressive 1.99, showing that total profit was almost double the total loss. The recovery factor reached 3.69, proving that the EA recovered from drawdowns efficiently. Overall, Gold Infinity EA proved its consistency. Steady profits, low drawdown, and disciplined trade entries. It works 24/7, fully automated, so once you install it, you can sit back and let it manage the trades for you. Imagine a 24/7 gold trading system working non-stop. And all that for only $125. This isn't hype. It's tested, verified, and available right now for just $125. Contact us. This is true hands-free trading, powered by real market logic and precision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates and live results of Gold Infinity EA.